Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another haul, and in today's video I do have some goodies from Amazon, and I don't know if I might show some from Shein, but right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys some items from Amazon that I picked up. So the first thing that we have here are these pigment powders. They are 24 pigment powders, and I'm gonna specifically be using these for now. So I'm really excited about this one in particular because it did bring a variety. I had purchased maybe like a 6-pack in the past, but I decided I wanted more colors, more variety, and it does come with multiple applicators, double-sided applicators, so that's nice if you enjoy using those. And then we individually have them like this. So these are like the blue color scheme, and I'm not going to be removing these out of the package just because they're extremely messy, and they actually stained like my desk, like my, okay, I apologize. I was practicing off camera, and they actually went ahead and stained my mat that I have on my desk. So now I have to get a new one because it looks really dirty and not appealing. But yeah, I love how it goes from like lightest to darkest, and these are like blues and stuff, and they look absolutely beautiful. Are these like stacked or individual? Let me double check. Oh, okay, so that's really cool. They're like stacked, those stackable ones. So that's pretty decent. I really like that. So they're these stackable ones like this, and they do have a seal protectant, which is great. And I love this one because depending on what angle, it looks like yellowish, bluish, and then the colors start getting darker. So it's really, really nice. So now I have some blues that I could work with. I still have to practice off camera. I'm not that great at it. Then I also, you also get like greens and stuff. So here are all your greens. So I'm really looking forward to like learning how to do these a little bit better. And then I also went ahead. I don't know why I say I also went ahead, like if it's like a different product. I'm sorry, I'm kind of out of it right now. But then we have some neons. And then some more neons. I really like these, they're so pretty. So you do get a total of 24. Next, I went ahead and got 12 colors. It says 12 colors maple leaf. So here we have decorative like sequin splitters, and I didn't have any sort of maple leaves for the fall time, so I definitely want to go ahead and get some. And it brings this like acrylic container, which is nice to keep them organized. And this is what it looks like. This was super inexpensive. It was like $2 and some change, and I really needed some maple leaves because I don't have some for the fall time, so I decided to stack up on these. And I like how you get some rose gold, blue, silver, like a pinkish purple, gold, like a bronze, a brownish, reddish, a green, a red, a dark purple, black, and like a fuchsia pink. So you could definitely do a lot. And I believe these are 4-gram containers, maybe 4 or 5-gram containers, you know, just your standard. And since they're all the same, I'm not gonna go ahead and like show one individually because they're all the same. And let's face it, well, at least for me, I think fall nails are my least favorite, which is why I don't own anything like that much fall related, because I don't really like the theme for nails for some reason. But I'm definitely gonna try a lot better next year to do more nail sets and stuff. So I have been practicing off camera. Here we have 24 like holographic Christmas party nail decor, but I didn't get it because of that. I got it because it's actually very versatile and you can use it for the whole year. So you get your standard tweezer, which is always A+. And then you also get some Christmas holiday stickers, which is always a plus as well. I feel like you can never have enough of anything, no heart. So here, that is what we have. Really cute. And then I got it because this is very versatile and super cute, and you can literally use this any time of the year. And some of it did fall out, unfortunately. Oh, actually a lot did. But there's still a lot in here, but this is about how much fell, which I will be saving, so I'm going to be leaving it in the container. But those neon hearts are life. And then you get such cute confetti. I thought this was the absolute most cutest glitter. Like, so pretty. Like, look how pretty this is. I had to get it. It's gorgeous. Then we also have this one, which is very festive and fun. We also have this one, iridescent. This one is my favorite. So cute because they're like opaque, but they're neon. Then we have silver. We have like these pastel ones. I love these as well. And they have like confetti or like sprinkles. We have some hearts, some blue iridescent clear ones, some really fun mix of glitters, and then we have some more. So I definitely really love this, and I thought it was so cute. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and buy another one of these because this is a must in my collection now. I really love how unique they are because I actually didn't have any of those. And then I really like these as well because we have some Christmas ones, but we also have hearts, unicorns, stars. It's like a little versatile it's definitely I love how you can do a lot with these, so definitely gonna go ahead and purchase more. That I purchased through Amazon as well, and these are 12 butterfly sheets. I got these because you just can never have enough. So this is what it looks like. Next, I also went ahead and got some more stickers from Amazon. Next we have some items from AliExpress. And this I had ordered a really long time ago. Honestly, I had forgotten about this, but I did order like some stickers. I love stickers. I feel like you could just never have enough. So I like how these sticker sheets are big. First of all, look how big they are, and they're packed with stickers. I really appreciate that. I'm doing like a set on my my partner with these. I thought it would be fun. I don't know. Then we also have these like mermaid ones. I believe I have these already, so that's fine. I have this one, a tropical one. I believe I have that one. This one, so cute. I absolutely love this one. I love it. I love this one as well. I love these. They're so pretty. I already have too many stickers out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it like that. So next we are moving on to some items from Shein that I purchased. So here we have some sunflowers, and I wanted to see, I didn't really know the size or anything, but I'm glad I got these because these size is so perfect for some nails. And you also get like a variety of color. So here you have it. Absolutely love these. Next we have some gummies from there as well. Some bears. I was like collecting these. So there you have it. And you get all these colors. You definitely get a variety. And here we have these. They're super cute. I really like these. I might put one of these on my nails that I have on now because they're so cute. Look how cute that would look on your nail. It's like the perfect size. And that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this nail haul. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in the next upload.